Good afternoon, Brighter Choice, and happy Friday. It's Friday, it's Friday. I said it's Friday, it's Friday. Friday, April 24th, 2020. If we were in school, we'd be having a school assembly to introduce our core scholar value of scholarship. Now, I wanted to specifically come and emphasize that just because our school buildings are closed does not mean that scholarship is, or your opportunities for education are closed. You still have those opportunities to increase that learning and to make your brain stronger than ever, even with the tools that you have at home. And we're going to talk a little bit today about how. So what is scholarship? Well, scholarship is having the discipline and the focus to really put your education first. When you're home, it's not always easy to feel like you have all the tools you need for your education. So here are some easy peasy, lemon squeezy steps that you can do at home in order to fuel your brain and make sure that you're not getting behind on your education. Step 1, show up for yourself and do your best work. Now, you know you've been getting packets in the mail. You have opportunities to participate online. Show up for those and be a part of the conversation. Use those as an opportunity to learn. This isn't about impressing your teachers. This isn't about impressing your parents. This isn't about doing something because you're bored. This is about sharpening your skills so that in your brain, you have the tools that you're going to need to be successful someday. Also, find out when your classroom has their online check-ins through Zoom or Google Meet or whatever method your teacher is using. If you're not sure what method your teacher is using, reach out to them on Remind App or Class Dojo and find out. That way you can be a part of the conversation. Step 2, sharpen your skills. Yes, there are opportunities all over your house to sharpen your skills. For example, April is Drop Everything and Read Month. DEAR, D-E-A-R. As Mr. Miller showed you earlier this week, when you drop everything and read, you have the opportunity to travel to all kinds of new places through your imagination and the way that the words are written in the book. But also, it gives you the opportunity to sharpen your skills. Practice reading in your brain. Practice reading out loud to a parent, grandparent, or sibling. Even if it's a book that might be a little bit easier for you that you can read to your younger siblings, that helps. Looking for another way to sharpen your skills? Cook. Yes, if you read recipes, they have fractions in there that you can use. They have measurements in there that you can use, and both of which are going to sharpen your skills and end up with a really delicious treat. In addition to reading and cooking, you can also use games as a method of sharpening your skills. There's all kinds of games that you can do that help challenge you, both with reading, with math skills, with science, with history. You could play a trivia game if you wanted to. Step 3, ask questions. Ask questions to your parents, ask questions to your teacher, but mostly I'm asking you to just ask questions for yourself. Give yourself challenges on things to figure out. If people didn't ask questions, we wouldn't know all the things we know today. I mean, what if Newton didn't ask why that apple fell on his head? What if he just allowed it to be? We wouldn't know about gravity. The reason we know so much now is because somebody, somewhere, asked a question as to why that works or how that works, and sometimes how they can make it better. Ask those questions. Maybe turn it into a game for you and your siblings. Come up with some crazy question. How many windows are in the Empire State Building? And then challenge yourself to research that question and find out. It could be anything. How long is a giraffe's neck? How many years does a rhinoceros live? Any question you can think of, you can find the answer, and it sharpens your skills to help research it. So be a question asker. Right now, you have the opportunity to sharpen your skills and to show scholarship all on your own, at home, using limited resources. Find those opportunities, show that discipline, show that focus, and really let this time at home be your opportunity to get yourself on track in setting those goals for your education and for your future. We look forward to seeing you learn, scholars, and I can't wait to hear what ideas you come up with. Have a good day.